Kim, there's kind of two things that stand out from this storm, and I think two things that we're going to remember this storm for. First and foremost, it's these snowfall amounts for us in the foothills. And now I just counted up 18 different 30-inch or higher snowfall reports for us in the foothills. I'm going to repeat that. 18 different reports of at least 30 inches or more of snow for us here in the foothills, including, at this point, a couple of 3-foot reports for us here in the foothills. So again, this is a significant foothill storm. And the thing is, it's not over yet. Look at these estimated forecast amounts for us here in the foothills. Could be talking about an additional 1 to 2 feet of snow before this all wraps on up early tomorrow morning. So we've still got another 12 hours or so of this to go. And I think we're looking at, again, an additional perhaps foot plus worth of snowfall on top of what we've already seen. Now, the other big takeaway from this, that's takeaway one. Obviously, the foothills, that's what we're going to remember. This could end up being our biggest foothills snow event since the March 2003 event. We'll have to kind of break that down once we get a little bit deeper into the storm. The other big takeaway, this is for sure, the amount of water within this storm. You're probably walking outside. It is that gloppy, kind of snow where it's just your foot gets all waterlogged if you go through the snow. We picked up about 2.68 inches worth of snow of precipitation for us at the Centennial Airport. How about that? That makes it our wettest March storm on record. Records go back to 1998. But point being, for parts of the South Metro area, this is the wettest winter storm that we've seen since at least 1998. And maybe some cases here, this may be the wettest winter storm we've seen in decades upon decades for us on the south and west sides of the metro area. So lots of water and a huge foothill storm. Those are the two takeaways from this storm, at least so far.